Okay, so this one's for the quick hitch, which engages that one, but it doesn't engage until you apply hydraulics. So what I do, how it does it, it's a safety thing in case it's flicked. Is you crowd the bucket, which engages the hydraulics, and then you flick it. See? And then it's pulling it towards you, and then pushing it away, which brings it in, pull towards you. There you go, that's a quick hitch. That's that button there. These are working hydraulic lines, those are just cap. These are like the real thing, spring loaded. Oh, she fired out like a bloody rocket. Right up.